Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on Etsy. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your username on Etsy, firstly open your Google search. Type in etsy.com sign in or Etsy login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the sign in link from the search results. Log into your account and the home page of Etsy will appear on the screen. Tap on human icon on the top right corner of the screen and then click on Edit Public Profile. Under Public Profile, click on Change or Remove right next to your name section. Edit and enter your name and then click on Save Changes. This is how you can change your username on Etsy quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.